Hi, the following will show you how you can review results and defects from the QA32 transaction. To enter the transaction, we must type in the command window or search in the submenu in the Logistics folder, Quality Management, Quality Inspection, Work List, Inspection, QA32 Change Data. Double-click to enter the transaction. Once inside the transaction, we can observe that we can filter by date, by plant, origin, material, and batch. In addition, in the list setting segment, you can select only inspection lot without usage decision. Let's click on the button Execute to continue. And we enter the report. Once inside the report, we can verify the status of the lot. And we can identify that in this case, it has two characteristics to inspect. Click to select and go to the Results button, where the system enables an additional window that is to select the quality control operation. Once inside the inspection lot, we can analyze the variables or characteristics to measure with their own specification. And we see a field, a column called Results. I place myself in that column to register the first characteristic, the first result. Since it is a qualitative characteristic, I must click on the plus and search. Inside the catalog selection, which will be the attribute to be assessed, we'll click on the required choice, enter to continue, and the system enables me to the next feature to be evaluated. This is a quantitative characteristic, so just type a numeric value and then enter to save the results. Characteristics should be set to status 5, showing they are completed. We can also include notes to those characteristics and enter to continue. The system shows an OK message that the data has been saved and brings us back to the report. Let's click again on the Results button to verify that the information is correct. At the same time, I can document defects. To document defects, I must look for the Defect button to register. I must complete it with defect type and defect location. Double-click. Once the defect has been completed, click Continue, the check mark, and save. If you want to edit a feature that has already been completed, through the Open Backlog button, I can add to the feature and further the document or modify it. Once the note has been added, I select the feature, and with Close Backlog, we return to status 5 as completed. We save the data, and the system brings us back to the report. When all the results are completed, we can update using the Refresh button. We see how the lot status changes, right? Now that you have already been notified and registered, and the results are saved, we can continue and go to the usage decision, which can be found in another video.